Hi, my name is Jennifer Lopez. I am 23 years old and I am currently attending school to achieve my bachelor's degree in education. I hope to one day become a kindergarten teacher. Throughout my 23 years of life, I have had many people inspire me. The first person to inspire me was my mother. My mother has always played the role of both mom and dad and has done an excellent job. She raised four children on her own and has showed me no matter what you want to do, you can do it as long as you put your mind to it. My mother has raised all of her children to become successful. I have two older brothers, one who is currently the chief of police for our local police department, and my other brother who is the head of narcotics detective for our local police department as well. My sister is currently a stay-at-home mom who dedicates her time to my autistic nephew who is nonverbal. I am the youngest of my siblings. I am currently expecting my first child with my boyfriend. My family and I are extremely excited and cannot wait for the arrival of our baby boy. I would say I have I would say I have known I wanted to be a teacher since I was about 8 years old. My mom would catch me in my room playing school with all of my stuffed animals. One Christmas she even bought me a two-sided whiteboard, and I would have to say that was and still is one of the best gifts I have ever gotten. This is because I knew my mom understood my love for school and that board was a sign from her to keep playing and learning every day. At a young age I was a very strong reader. I had a Martin Luther King book that I would picture read to my mother, and after I would picture read, she would read the words on the pages to me. And eventually I learned to read the whole book without the help of my mom. Reading was one of my stronger subjects. I loved reading, especially in my younger years. One of my favorite books to read, even to this day, is Because of Winn-Dixie. I first read this book in the third grade with my teacher, Mrs. Reinhardt. There is one more person who has came into my life and inspired me to be the best I can, which is my boyfriend. He has been my biggest supporter since the first day he came into my life, and he is currently enrolled in the graduate counseling program at Sul Ross. Together, I believe we will do great things in our future. I am very family oriented and I love my nieces and my nephew. I hope to make my family proud and be a role model for them as their parents were for me. I hope to have my family watch me become an educator and succeed throughout my career.